Hey everyone, this is April Nicole. Welcome back to April Nicole Design. On today's video, I'm going to show you 6 ways to destroy denim. Before I make a cut, I'm making sure I don't cut where the pocket is on the inside of the shorts. You can cut as many lines as you want. Here I am adding a few extra slits. With the tweezers, I'm just pulling out the white thread randomly. Before using the razor blade, make sure you have a piece of cardboard to go in between the fabric so that you won't cut into the fabric on the other side or cut your fingers. You can use this tool to shave lint balls off of sweaters, but I'm using this to destroy a little bit of the rim of the pocket of the shorts. The sandpaper I'm using is 60 grit. When you're done, just toss it in the washer. The more you wash it, the more destroyed it will look. Here's the before and after look. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.